Yes, good afternoon, dear children. Welcome to the English class. Today we are going to start a very important topic of English grammar, that is application writing. Okay, so student, before starting this, the application writing, there are some points to be remembered. Okay, that the application form has to be written by the student to the principal. So therefore it is very important to the student to choose the right words while writing the application. So every word in the application should show request and manner. The first and necessary step to write an application form is format. क्या होना चाहिए सबसे पहले इसका format. So if the format is correct, everything will be clearly understood as soon as you see your application form, and viewer will also like to read your application form. So now let's understand the format. Okay, now the format we start from the sender address. First of all, you have to mention the sender address. Okay, student. After that, you have to write the date. Okay, the format of this date is as April 7, 2020. और आपका format इस तरीके से भी हो सकता है. Yes, 7 April 2020. Okay. Now, after that, in the next line, you have to write the authority name. As you know very well, you should write this way as a principal, the principal. After that, you have to write the institute name as a school name, and after that, you have to write the institute address, okay, as a school address. Though after that, you have to write salutations. Okay, students, you have to write the salutations as a respected sir, as a respected ma'am. After that, you have to write the body of the application. So first of all, you have to know what is salutation. No? That salutation is the way of greeting someone whom we are writing the application for, respected sir or respected ma'am. Now, next is the body of the application. The first thing we should write in the application is introduction. तो सबसे पहले हमको application में लिखना है वो क्या होना चाहिए? As a introduction. So student, in the introduction, we can mention our name, class, and section. Okay. Now, after that, it is important to have a necessary information while writing the application. Also, it is very important that the information is written is correctly. Information है क्या होना चाहिए written correctly. And the second thing is the reason. जो second thing है वो क्या है? Reason. Okay, student. So in the reason, the student should write the reason for leaving the application properly. So every word in the application should show the request and manner. Okay. So student, we should mention the purpose specifically for which you are requesting to leave the base of the application. Okay, student. So now the application should be maintained. Okay, what is the, when you are writing an application which you are requesting to leave, the base of the application should be mentioned, and the application should to the point. At the end of the body of the application, you should thank whom you are writing the application. Okay, जिसका application लिखे उसका क्या बोलोगे? Thank you. So now you are writing the application, then the next is subscription. Here, after they are thanking you, so you have to write the subscription. Yes, yours obediently. Now, in the subscription, you should write the yours obediently, and then your name and section. You have to mention the name, your class, and section. Okay. So this is way to write the application. Okay. Now I'm showing you an example of an application. Now, first one is here. Yes, you have an urgent piece of work at home. Okay, you cannot go to school. Write an application to your headmaster or headmistress to grant you 3 days leave. Okay, have you understood? Yes, you have an urgent piece of work at home. तुम्हारे घर पे क्या है, बहुत जरूरी काम है, तो तुम स्कूल नहीं आ सकते, तो तुमको आपको एप्लीकेशन लिखनी है. एप्लीकेशन लिखनी है, किसको लिखनी है? एज ए हेडमास्टर या हेडमिस्ट्रेस. So you have to mention the headmaster or headmistress. If there is written as a principal, so you have to write a principal. To grant you, तुमको क्या चाहिए? Yes, 3 days leave. तुमको क्या चाहिए? 3 दिन की छुट्टी चाहिए. So let's start the application. First of all, you have to write the address, sender address. Okay, this is a sender address. After that, you have to mention the date as 6 October 2020. After that, you have to mention the next time you have to mention the headmaster or headmistress. आप जिसको भी अपनी applications आप लिख रहे हैं तो आप both में से कुछ भी एक choose कर सकते हैं. Yes. After that, you have to write the name of the institution. Yes, as a government primary school. And after that, you have to write the address of the school as a bar name. Now, in the next line, you have to write a salutation as a respected sir, respected ma'am. Okay. So now I'm starting a body part of this application. This is a body part. I have an urgent work at my home. मुझे क्या है, मुझे घर पे एक बहुत जरूरी काम है. So I cannot attend school. तो मैं स्कूल नहीं आ सकता, अटेंड स्कूल अटेंड नहीं कर सकता. सो काइंडली ग्रांट मी लीव फॉर 3 days ओनली. तो मुझे 3 दिन के लिए क्या चाहिए, छुट्टी चाहिए. एज द स्टूडेंट, ग्रांट मीन्स क्या होता है, देना, अनुदान, या हम क्या बोल सकते हैं, स्वीकृत कर दीजिए मेरी छुट्टी, है ना, 3 दिन के लिए छुट्टी स्वीकृत कर दीजिए. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू राइट एज ए थैंक यू, बट वी राइट द एप्लीकेशन for my school. So we write the with regards, your obediently. After that you have to write your name, and after that you have to write your class, okay, and section. Okay student, I hope you have understood the example of an application. Okay, now next, another application is here. You are ill. Okay, you cannot go to school. आप क्या हैं, बीमार हैं, आप स्कूल नहीं जा सकते. Write an application to your headmaster or headmistress to grant you 2 days leave. आपको क्या चाहिए, 2 दिन की छुट्टी चाहिए, या आप बीमार हो, आप स्कूल नहीं जा सकते, इसके लिए आपको क्या करनी है, एप्लीकेशन राइट करनी है. ओके, नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द एप्लीकेशन. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you have to write a sender name. Here the sender address. Here the sender address is here, Shiv Colony, ward number 26. After that you have to write the date of the application as a 9th October 2020. So student, प्लीज रिमेंबर दैट, याद रखना कि जब जिस दिन आप एप्लीकेशन लिख लो आपको उसी दिन की डेट मेंशन करनी है. तो आप इन द नेक्स्ट लाइन यू हैव टू राइट द institute name as a institute name, institute address. Okay, so firstly you have to write the headmaster or headmistress. Okay, now after that you have to write the name of the institute as a government primary school. After that you have to write the institute address as a Churu. ये कहाँ पर है, चूरू में. So after that you have to write the salutation as a respected sir or ma'am. So in after that you have to write the body of the application, in which 2 things is more important as the introduction and a reason. So let's start. Respectfully I beg to say that I am ill, so I cannot attend the school. मैं आपसे कहना चाहता हूँ कि मैं बीमार हूँ तो मैं स्कूल अटेंड नहीं कर सकता. So kindly grant me leave for 2 days from 9 October to 10 October. तो मुझे क्या करिए, आप 2 दिन की एज ए 9 अक्टूबर और 10 अक्टूबर की क्या कर दीजिए, लीव दे दीजिए, मतलब छुट्टी दे दीजिए. Okay, with regards, yours obediently, as you mention your name and mention your class and section. Okay, this is all your application. Okay students, this application will come in your exam board. I hope you have to understood the application. Okay, now let's start our next topic is sound. Okay, what is sound students? Yes, in your exam, in your board exam, so this question will come from the sound. So let's start. 4 words are given in the question based on sound. जो आपके क्या होंगे, 4 words दिए हुए होंगे, किस पे बेस होंगे, वो sounds पे. So now the student, each word has 1 or 2 underlined letters. जो प्रत्येक word पे क्या होगा, एक letter पे या 2 letter पे क्या होंगे, underline होंगे. Is these underlined letters of 3 words have same sound while 1 word has different sound. क्या होगा, जब आपके 3 जो वर्ड्स होंगे वो तो क्या होंगे, सेम साउंड्स के होंगे, लेकिन जो एक वर्ड होगा वो क्या होगा, डिफरेंट साउंड का होगा. सो वर्ड विच हैज डिफरेंट साउंड इज द करेक्ट आंसर. जो हमारा जो वर्ड होगा डिफरेंट साउंड का, वो हमारा क्या होगा, करेक्ट आंसर होगा. ओके स्टूडेंट, आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द एग्जांपल ऑफ द साउंड्स. Now first one is here as a fool, tool, pool and look. So student, you have to notice that the two letters double O पे क्या है, underline है. So you when I pronounce, जब मैं pronounce कर रही हूँ तो listen to me carefully कि जहाँ पर मैं stress दे रही हूँ तो words कहाँ पर different, जो sound है वो कहाँ पर different आ रही है. Okay, once again I am starting. Fool, tool, pool, look. What is different here? As a look. Who की आवाज आ रही है, sound आप देखिए different sound है. So answer is here look. ऐसे I am repeating again as a fool, pool, tool, pool, ना who की आवाज आ रही है. Look तो उक की आवाज आ रही है. तो here this is a different word. Now second one is here fear, tear, clear, teach. Which one is different? As a teach. Teach is our answer. As I'm repeating again, fear, tear, clear. So वो जो आपको तीनों क्या साउंड आ रहे हैं, सेम जो साउंड की जो प्रोनाउंसिएशन हो रही है वो क्या हो रही है, सेम हो रही है. लेकिन जब हम प्रोनाउंस कर रहे हैं टीच तो दिस इज अ डिफरेंट. दिस इज आवर आंसर. नंबर थर्ड इज हियर टू, नो, सो, नो. ओ, अब देखिए टू, ऊ की साउंड आ रही है यहाँ पे, है ना. अब मैं इसको रिपीट करती हूँ, बी सी और डी को. नो, सो, नो. तो ओ, ओ की साउंड आ रही है. तो डिफरेंट इज हियर टू. सो आपको क्या करना है कि जो आपका जो डिफरेंट वर्ड है, जो डिफरेंट जो साउंड्स आ रही है उसको क्या करना है, आपको आंसर में नोट डाउन करना है. ओके, नाउ let's start the exercise. Choose the word which has a different sound of the underlined letters. अब हमको क्या करना है कि underline जो letters है उसमें हमको क्या choose करना है, different sound. जो sound different होगा वही हमारा क्या होगा, answer होगा. Okay student, the first one is here as a deep. Okay, deep, deep, cat, keep. Yes, which one is different? Yes, first is cap is different. Now second is here slow, blow, loud, blow. Slow, blow, loud, blow. So which one is different? As a loud. Slow, blow, blow. Slow, blow, blow. Has the same sound but loud is a different sound. This is a different word. Now third one is here as a park, bark, dark. Arrow. Arrow is a different word. So it is our answer arrow. Okay. Number fourth is here pond, bond, fond, moon. Here I am repeating again pond, bond, fond, moon. So different word is here as a moon. Okay student, I hope you have understood. Okay, number fifth is here went, fainted, went, mention. So different word is here as a repeating again went. So you notice and, fan, bent, mention. So here this is a different word. Number six is here soon, blonde, moon, moon. I'm repeating again soon, moon, moon. The different word is here on. So here different word is here be. Okay. Now number seven is here felt, belt, melt, filthy. So different word is here as a filthy. Okay student. So repeating again felt. आप sound मेरी जो pronounce कर रही हूँ मैं sound को उस पर notice करिए felt, belt, melt. So felt, filthy. So मैं इधर क्या pronounce कर रही हूँ filthy. Okay. This is a different word. Number 8 is here. तो किस पे किस letters पे ICE. Okay. Voice nicely, choice, rejoice. So different word is here student. Yes, nicely, because it is a different word. Voice, choice, rejoice. It's the same sound. Okay, this is a different sound here. Now number 9 is here superior, manner, banner, planner. So same sound is here manner, planner, planner, and superior. Superior is a different sound. So it is our answer. Okay, student. I hope you have understood. Number 10. Scoop, flop, stop, shop. So different word is here, different sound is here as a scoop. Okay, here as a scoop. So I'm pronouncing again flop, flop, stop, shop. Okay, so this is a scoop is a different sound word. Number 11 is here can, man, ask, when. Different is here asked. Okay, because I'm repeating again, can, man, when. Okay, 3 has a similar sound. Okay, number 12 is here, way, happy, hey, may. So way, hey, may has a similar sound, same sound pronounce हो रहा है. So happy is a different sound. Okay, so it is our answer. Number 13 is here, life, wife, knife, fell. So here you notice the different sound is here as a fell. Okay, students. So I am pronouncing again, life, wife, knife. Okay, student. Now number 14 is here, flew, get, wet, mat. Okay, student. Flew, get, wet, mat. So different sound is pronounced. Here you notice the flew. Here get, wet, mat. Same sound. So different sound is here flew. Okay. आपको पेपर में बोर्ड एग्जाम में बहुत ही ध्यान से करना है कि जब भी आप साउंड प्रोनाउंस करेंगी तब आपको क्या होना चाहिए कि आपको जो डिफरेंट साउंड आती है जैसे ही हम प्रोनाउंस करेंगे डिफरेंट साउंड होगी तो हमको जैसे ही आंसर पता चल जाएगा कि दिस इज अ डिफरेंट साउंड. Now, next one is here. Number 15, come, home, none, some. So, different sound is here. Come, none, some. So, these are the similar sound. Home is a different sound. Okay, student? I hope you have understood. Have you understood the sounds and the application? Okay, student? I hope you have understood. So, if you have any query, you can.